Here are some pros and cons of having heated floors in your bathroom. Pros: comfort. Heated floors can be a really nice feature on those lovely cold Minnesota winters. Energy efficiency. Heated floors can be more energy efficient than the other types of heating, as they warm the room from the ground up and do not require as much energy to maintain a comfortable temperature. Customization. Heated floors can be customized to heat a specific area and not the entire bathroom. Durability. Heated floors are also durable and can last for many years with proper care. Cons. In-floor heat can be more expensive than the other types of flooring. It also requires additional electrical work, and depending on what type of system, it also requires a special kind of install in order for it to work properly. When deciding whether to install in-floor heat in your bathroom, consider your budget, design preference, and the specific needs of your space. Heated floors can be comfortable, energy efficient choice, but it may not be a best option for everyone.